Wala naman yung attempts na harangan yung Blue Ribbon investigation.
Actually po, ang humaharang, to tell you the truth, honestly po, yung kabila. It's not us po sa majority. I will not name names po, but the truth of the matter is, real talk lang po. Sila na po ngayon nakikiusap na huwag na utapit at tuloy yung Blue Ribbon. And I was saying, kung gano'n, dapat kayo magsabi nga. I mean, kayo yung inudyok-udyok niyo itong leadership ni Senator Win, pati ako, sasabihin nyo, tinatago namin. Yung pala, may plano sila, wag na raw ituloy muna, wag na raw ituloy yung Blue Ribbon hearing. Kaya sabi ko, ano ba talaga? You have to explain it to the media, you have to explain it to the public, na kayo naman ang ayaw. Sila naman ang ayaw kayo. Kaya hindi naiintindihan. Ano ba talagang gusto nyo?
May reason po binigay bakit po ayaw na muna nila mag-Blue Ribbon na guys?
Obvious.
Dahil po
Obvious reasons.
Obvious. Alam mo, sinong pinapainis nila? Sino tinutumbok na Senator Lacson?